Hi everyone! Today I am sharing my Bolognese recipe with you. It's a fairly simple recipe. To a hot pan we are adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil, followed by a large onion. You can chop the onion roughly, but I've just done it quite fine because I've used a machine. And then add your minced meat, and then add 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. We're trying to cut down on our red meat intake, which is why I've used chicken mince. You can definitely substitute that for lamb or beef if you wanted to. So I've just given that a good mix. The meat then starts to release some liquid, and now we're waiting for the liquid to dry. This takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure you stir it along the way because we don't want it to burn. After all the liquid's dried out, I'm going to add my spices. Please check the description box below for the list of the spices. So we're going to cook the spices for about 5 to 7 minutes. I'm adding a cup of water to let the spices cook, and I'm going to let it dry out on low heat. And then we're going to add the sauce. I like it quite tangy, so I use 1 jar and a half. But my husband prefers it less tangy, and so I've added only 1 jar. Sometimes if I don't have the jar of dolmio sauce, I add 1 to 2 cans of tomato pulp and 2 tablespoons of tomato puree instead. It tastes just as great. And now I'm adding 1 can of red kidney beans, and a cup of water. So now I've put it on low heat, and I'm going to let it simmer for about 45 minutes to an hour. With a traditional Bolognese recipe, you can let it simmer for up to 4 hours. But to be honest, I've never really let it simmer for more than an hour, and it still tastes great. I think I then ended up adding about another cup of water, just to loosen it up a little. I'm adding some basil leaves to garnish, and here's the finished dish. And now I'm just plating it up to take a cute Instagram picture. And so here we have it. Thank you for watching.